Are you tired of wasting money on bikes that don't perform? Whether you love hitting mountain trails, cruising through city streets, or just want a smooth, comfortable ride, choosing the right bike can be overwhelming. In this video, we're comparing 9 of the best bikes on Amazon, from rugged mountain bikes to sleek road racers and versatile hybrids, so you can find the perfect ride for your style, your terrain, and your budget. Don't scroll away, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which bike is right for you. Number 1. Mongoose Mountain Bike. Ever tried hitting a mountain trail, only to feel every rock, bump, and root through your bike? Yeah, it's not fun when your adventure feels more like punishment. But what if your next ride could feel like floating over rough terrain instead? Most budget mountain bikes either rattle your bones on every bump or can't handle real off-road trails. They're heavy, clunky, and struggle with steep climbs or sharp turns, leaving you exhausted long before the fun even begins. That's where the Mongoose Impasse 2.0 mountain bike comes in. Built for both men and women, this bike is born in dirt, featuring a lightweight aluminum dual suspension frame that absorbs shock like a pro. The 29-inch wheels roll right over rough terrain, while the 100mm travel suspension fork smooths out your ride with ease. With its 8-speed L2 drivetrain, mechanical disc brakes, and 2.25-inch knobby tires, you get total control, uphill, downhill, or flying through mud. Whether you're chasing weekend adventure or daily trail rides, the Mongoose Impasse keeps you stable, comfortable, and always ready for the next challenge. Number 2. Bederland Mountain Bike. Tired of bulky bikes that take up half your garage, or worse, can't handle real trails? Well, what if you could fold your bike, toss it in your trunk, and still dominate the toughest mountain roads? Meet the Bederland 26-inch folding mountain bike, the all-terrain beast built for modern riders. Most mountain bikes force you to choose comfort or convenience. They're either heavy and impossible to store, or light but shaky on rough roads. And when you hit uneven trails, poor suspension and weak brakes can make every ride a struggle instead of an adventure. That's why the Bederland 26-inch bike is a total game changer. It's crafted from high-carbon steel for strength, features full suspension for shock absorption, and offers 21 smooth speed options for any terrain. The dual disc brakes give you reliable control, even downhill. But here's the best part: it folds in seconds. With a quick-release mechanism, this bike folds down to a compact 33 by 38 inches, making storage and travel effortless. Whether you're riding city streets or rocky trails, the non-slip tires and 6-spoke alloy wheels keep you stable, fast, and in control. So if you want a durable, comfortable, and portable ride, the Bederland folding mountain bike is your ticket to freedom on 2 wheels. Number 3. WeEyes Mountain Bike. If you've ever hit a rough trail and felt every single bump rattle your body, then you know how painful a bad bike can be. But what if your next ride could feel smooth, controlled, and built for real adventure, without breaking the bank? Meet the WeEyes Mountain Bike, where comfort meets power. Most affordable mountain bikes look good on paper, but once you hit real terrain, uneven roads, gravel, or steep climbs, they fall apart. Poor suspension, weak brakes, and clunky gears turn a fun trail into a full-body workout you didn't sign up for. That's why the WeEyes Mountain Bike is a total game changer. Built with a durable dual suspension steel frame, it absorbs shocks like a pro, keeping your ride smooth and stable. The front suspension fork and rear coil shock work together to handle every bump and rock with ease. And with its 18-speed twist shifters and precise derailleurs, gear changes feel buttery, smooth, no matter the incline. You also get strong linear pull brakes for confident stopping power, 26-inch all-terrain tires that grip every surface, and an adjustable ergonomic seat that makes long rides surprisingly comfortable. Best of all, it's easy to assemble and ready to roll in just 20 minutes. So whether you're a weekend rider or an everyday explorer, the WeEyes Mountain Bike delivers the perfect mix of comfort, control, and adventure, all in one sleek package. Number 4. WeEyes Road Bike. Ever dreamed of gliding through city streets like a breeze, smooth, fast, and stylish? Most bikes promise that. But when you actually hit the road, They feel heavy, slow, and uncomfortable. That's why the WeEyes road bike is turning heads. It's built for real riders who want speed, comfort, and control in one sleek package. Let's be honest, most commuter bikes struggle with balance. They're either too heavy to pedal comfortably or too fragile for rough city roads. And when traffic hits, poor brakes and slow gear shifts make every ride stressful instead of smooth. The WEIZ road bike changes that game completely. With a high-carbon steel frame, it absorbs road vibrations effortlessly, keeping your ride steady and comfortable. The 700X28C large-diameter tires roll over potholes and gravel with ease, while reducing resistance so every pedal stroke takes you farther. And the Shimano 14-speed transmission system gives you total control, whether you're climbing a hill or cruising at top speed. The dual-caliper brake system responds instantly for confident stopping, rain, or shine. Its ergonomic adjustable seat fits both men and women comfortably, and the curved drop handlebars cut through wind for that true racing feel. Plus, it comes 85% pre-assembled, so you can hit the road in no time. If you want a bike that's fast, reliable, and built for real-world commuting, the WeEyes road bike is your ticket to a smoother, smarter ride every day. Number 5. Virabus Hybrid Bikes. If you want a bike that's fast enough for the city, but smooth enough for weekend rides, this might be the one. Meet the Virabus Hybrid Bike, the perfect mix of comfort, style, and performance that'll make you actually look forward to your next ride. Most city bikes look sleek, but feel stiff and uncomfortable after just a few miles. And traditional road bikes? They're great for speed, but not for potholes, stop-and-go traffic, or daily commutes. You end up choosing between comfort and performance. And that's not fair for everyday riders. That's where the Virabus Hybrid Bike shines. With its lightweight aluminum frame, you get strength without the struggle. Easy to maneuver, yet tough enough to carry up to 330 pounds. The 7-speed thumb shifter gives you smooth, effortless gear changes whether you're climbing, cruising, or coasting through traffic. You'll love the cushion seat that keeps long rides comfortable and the dual disc brakes that deliver reliable stopping power, even at high speeds. Plus, it comes with front and rear IPX4 lights, so your evening rides are just as safe as your morning commutes. And with over 85% pre-assembly, you'll be on the road in minutes. So if you're after a bike that's stylish, sturdy, and built for real life, the Virabus Hybrid Bike is exactly what your next adventure needs. Number 6. Hillen Electric Bike. Imagine gliding through city streets with zero effort. No traffic stress, no sweat, just smooth, silent power at your fingertips. That's the magic of the Hillen 26-inch electric bike, a city commuter e-bike that's as stylish as it is smart. And yes, it even comes in a stunning sunflower painting design. Let's be real, daily commuting can be a nightmare. Long rides leave you exhausted, uphill climbs feel endless, and sitting in traffic on a traditional bike just drains your energy. You want freedom and speed without the struggle. That's where the Hillen electric bike changes everything. Powered by a 500W high-torque motor and a 36 V10.4Ah battery, it gives you effortless acceleration and power to conquer any hill or street with ease. The advanced transmission system ensures silky smooth gear shifts, adapting perfectly whether you're cruising or climbing. Built from high-grade aluminum, the frame is both strong and lightweight, giving you speed without sacrificing stability. And thanks to its precision braking system, you can stop quickly and safely in any weather. Perfect for city commuters, this e-bike turns every ride into a smooth, energy-saving journey, stylish, silent, and strong. So if you're ready to make your commute effortless and exciting, the Hillen 26-inch electric bike is your ultimate ride to freedom. Number 7. Munkul Beach Cruiser Bike. If your idea of a perfect ride is comfort, style, and zero stress, then this bike might just be your new favorite thing. Meet the Munkul Beach Cruiser Bike, the smooth riding classic designed for relaxed city cruising, beach paths, and sunny weekend adventures. Let's face it, most bikes look cool, but feel uncomfortable. Hard seats, awkward posture, and stiff handlebars can turn a simple ride into a backache waiting to happen. And when you're just trying to enjoy the breeze, the last thing you want is a bike that fights you at every turn. That's where the Muncool Beach Cruiser shines. Designed with comfort in mind, it features a wide padded saddle with dual springs, ergonomic handlebars, and an upright riding position that's easy on your back and shoulders. You can choose between 24 or 26-inch wheels for the perfect fit, and even pick a step-through frame for easy mounting, ideal for women and seniors. The 7-speed gear system gives you smooth, effortless control, whether you're coasting by the beach or tackling gentle hills. Plus, it comes 85% pre-assembled, with full fenders to keep you dry and a rear rack to carry your essentials. Durable, elegant, and built for everyday use. The Muncool Cruiser bike makes every ride feel like a getaway. Number 8. Schwinn Koon and Elm Big Kid Bike. Remember your first bike? That mix of excitement and a little bit of fear? The Schwinn Koon and Elm Big Kid Bike brings that same childhood magic, but with way more safety, comfort, and confidence built right in. Here's the thing. Most kids' bikes are just smaller versions of adult bikes. They're heavy, hard to balance, and often make learning way harder than it should be. Parents end up frustrated, and kids lose confidence before they've even started. That's exactly why Schwinn designed the Koon and Elm with SmartStar technology, a kid-friendly innovation that makes learning to ride easier and safer. The lightweight frame, forward position pedals, and low standover height give your child the perfect balance and control for quick starts and smooth stops. It comes with both a coaster brake and a handbrake, so your little one can learn to stop like a pro. The tool-free adjustable seat grows with your child, while the chain guard keeps them safe, and the basket adds that extra fun touch. And the best part? It's easy to assemble, so your kid will be riding confidently in no time. For a bike that's safe, stylish, and trusted by parents everywhere, the Schwinn Koon and Elm Big Kid Bike is the ride that helps your child pedal into independence. Number 9. KUTO Carbon Road Bike. If you've ever dreamed of gliding down the road like a pro cyclist, fast, smooth, and effortless, this bike might just make that dream real. Most road bikes either feel too heavy or don't give you that race-ready performance you crave. You push hard, but the bike pushes back with every pedal stroke, and that kills the thrill of the ride. Meet the KUTO Carbon Road Bike, a full carbon fiber racing machine designed for serious speed and smooth control. Built with an ultralight T800 carbon frame, fork, seat post, and wheel set, this beast weighs only 8.8 kilograms. That's lighter than most aluminum bikes. What does that mean for you? Faster acceleration, easier climbs, and incredible handling. The Shimano 105 R71 2024 speed group set gives buttery smooth shifting, while the hydraulic disc brakes offer rock-solid stopping power even on wet roads. Add in the aerodynamic frame design and Continental tires, and you got a bike that slices through wind like a knife. So if you're serious about cycling, whether you're training, racing, or just love speed, the KUTO Carbon Road Bike delivers pure performance in every ride. And there you have it, 9 amazing bikes, each built for different riders and adventures. Whether you're chasing trails, commuting in the city, or just cruising for fun, there's a perfect ride waiting for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gear guides and reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy riding!